In this Microsoft Word video, I will show you the 5 best, relatively unknown Word keyboard shortcuts. These are going to blow your mind. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. So here I am in Microsoft Word working on a document about one of my other YouTube channels, SynthPop Reviews. You should definitely check it out. And this description is meant to encourage people to go check out the channel, subscribe, and watch all the videos. But as I'm working on this document, what if I decide to change up some of the formatting just for specific paragraphs? So maybe I shrink the font size, maybe I change up the font type, because I want this paragraph to stand out in some way. The first of these relatively unknown keyboard shortcuts that I want to share with you is copy and paste formatting only. So I want to copy this formatting and paste it down here on this paragraph. So I've clicked and dragged to highlight the paragraph that has the formatting I want, and then all you need to do is hold the Alt key, hold the Control key, and tap C to copy. But it's copying not the text, but just the formatting of the selected paragraph. Now I'll just go down and click and drag to highlight the paragraph that I want to have the same formatting. Hold Alt, hold Control, and tap V for paste. Notice that the text itself has not changed, but the formatting has. Our second relatively unknown Word keyboard shortcut is amazing, and I'm betting you have never heard of this before, but you can actually move paragraphs and you can do it without cutting and pasting. Let's say I want to move this paragraph above this one here. All I have to do is click and drag to highlight it, and then I'll hold the Alt key, hold the Shift key, and tap the up arrow, and look what happened. It's moving the entire paragraph up and then also down if I use the down arrow, so I can very easily reorder the content of my Word document. Try it out. You're going to love this keyboard shortcut. Our next Microsoft Word unknown keyboard shortcut is change text case. So I want this paragraph to be in all caps. So I click and drag to select it. I'll hold the Shift key and tap F3, and it's now all caps. Now, on some keyboards, including many laptop keyboards, in order to do Shift F3, you're going to have to hold Shift, hold the Function key, and then tap F3. So it just depends. It's either Shift F3 or Shift Function F3. I'm going to press that again, and you can see now that paragraph is in all lowercase. If I try it again, it goes back to standard case. So you can quickly change up the text case of a paragraph or any selected text. Let's move on to our next relatively unknown Microsoft Word keyboard shortcut, and that is clear paragraph formatting. I'm going to change my mind here. I don't want this paragraph to be bolded or have the other formatting changes that I put in earlier. So I'm going to click and drag to select that paragraph, and then I'll hold the Control key and tap spacebar, and you can see what it does. It removes the formatting. I could do the same thing here. Click and drag to highlight the text, Control spacebar, the formatting's removed. In preparation for our last relatively unknown Microsoft Word keyboard shortcut, I'm going to click and drag to highlight the entire document pretty much. I'll hold Control and tap C to copy, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the document and paste it in. So now I've got a couple of different pages, and maybe I'll do that one more time so we have 3 pages worth of SynthPop Reviews content. You really need to check out this other YouTube channel of mine. But our fifth and final relatively unknown Microsoft Word keyboard shortcut is split your document window. When you're working on a document that's fairly long, it can be useful to split the document window. And you can do that by holding the Alt key, holding the Control key, and tapping S on the keyboard. Look what it's done. Just like I said, the document window has been split. I have the top part of the document and the bottom part of the document, or any other part that I arrange to be visible. This can be very useful. Let's say that you want to change your thesis statement in the opening paragraph to make sure that it addresses the end of your essay or your document. Well, you can have the end of it show up here at the bottom and the first paragraph here at the top, and you can type in relevant text here at the top that applies to the text that's at the end of your document. So those are 5 pretty much unknown Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts. Copy and paste formatting only, reorder entire paragraphs, that's my favorite, quickly change text case, uppercase, lowercase, title case, whatever it might be, remove all paragraph formatting, and split your document window. Which one did you enjoy the most? Please leave a comment in the description below the video telling me what you liked. For now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member. You could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my Super Techie channel supporters. I really appreciate all you do to support the channel so I can keep making these videos. Thank you.